Hello friends, this is Dr. Krup Pasavada and our today's topic of discussion is the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, which is also called as Criminal Procedure Code 1973. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and sharing. Let us see introduction. The Code of Criminal Procedure, commonly called Criminal Procedure Code, that is CRPC, is the main legislation on procedure for administration of substantive criminal law in India. तो ये जो CRPC है, that is a main legislation on procedure for administration. किसके लिए? Of substantive criminal law, यानी कि जो मूलभूत आपराधिक कानून है उसके लिए it is a main legislation on procedure for administration. It was enacted in 1973 and came into force on 1st April 1974. Let us see objectives. It provides the machinery for the investigation of the crime, apprehension of suspected criminals, collection of evidences, determination of guilt or innocence, and the determination of punishment of the guilty. It also deals with public nuisance, prevention of offenses, and maintenance of wife, child, and parents. तो ये सभी चीजों के लिए ये इंपॉर्टेंट है और उसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स यहाँ पे हमने पूरे के पूरे दिखाए हैं. हिस्ट्री. इन मिडिवल इंडिया, subsequent to the law set by Muslims, the Mohammedan criminal law came into prevalence. तो जो सबसे पहले मिडिवल इंडिया में मोमेडन क्रिमिनल लॉ प्रिवेलेंस में था. The British rulers passed the Regulating Act of 1773, under which a Supreme Court was established in Calcutta and later on at Madras and in Bombay. So यहाँ पे 1773 के बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट एस्टैब्लिश हुआ कैलकाटा, मद्रास एंड बॉम्बे में. After the Revolution of 1857, the British Crown took over the administration in India. तो रेवोल्यूशन के बाद the Criminal Procedure Code 1861 was passed by the British Parliament. The CRPC was created for the first time ever in 1882 and then amended in 1898. Then, according to the 41st Law Commission report in 1973. So this is very important. Let us see structure. In CRPC, there are 2 schedules, 37 chapters, 56 forms, and 484 sections. Functionaries under the code. So ये जो कोड है उसके अंदर कौन कौन सी फंक्शनरीज है? So Supreme Court of India, High Courts, District Session Judge and Additional District Judge, Judicial Magistrates, Executive Magistrates, Police, Public Prosecutors, and Defense Counsels. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel, click bell icon, and you can share this video amongst your friends. Thank you.